Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are staying safe and healthy. I recently traveled from Dubai to India to meet my family and also near and dear ones. It's really been a long time due to COVID, haven't met anyone. Hence planned a short trip to Mumbai and presently I'm in Pune at my sister's place, which is one of the most beautiful, peaceful and happiest city I have ever seen. I sincerely wish this pandemic and lockdown to come to an end and may we all get a chance to meet our near and dear ones. Since I am here, thought of sharing my sister's very special, unique and delicious recipe in her own style. That's apple chicken lollipop, which is our entire family's absolute favorite and we truly love it. So it's my sister who's going to prepare this unique and tasty recipe. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. So here we're going to prepare chicken lollipop first, which itself can be served as a starter or as a side dish and it tastes absolutely delicious. Along with that, going to prepare a tasty sauce, making a delicious crispy apple chicken lollipop. So let's learn how to make crispy apple chicken lollipop in my sister's style. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for getting notified as I keep posting healthy, tasty and delicious recipe. To make apple chicken lollipop, firstly we need to marinate the chicken. So here I have taken 1 kg of lollipop with skin on. Now for marination, these are the ingredients that we require. So here I have taken chicken lollipop mix, which is around 50 grams, is easily available in any supermarket. Then we require 1 tablespoon of salt or as per taste, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and half lemon juice. Now add all these ingredients into the chicken and then we're going to mix it and marinate this at least for 1 to 2 hours. After that we're going to fry them. Ingredients are added now. Now mix it very well and allow it to marinate for at least 1 to 2 hours. After that we're going to prepare a coating and then fry them. To prepare a coating mixture, into a bowl add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, that's maida, and 1 cup of corn flour, that's makai ka atta. Then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and half a teaspoon of red food color. Add salt as required. Now add water and mix it to form a smooth paste. Ensure there shouldn't be any lumps, so mix it well. Add water gradually, little at a time, and then form a smooth flowing batter. As you can see, the batter is ready now. On the other side, have kept sufficient oil for heating. Keep the flame on medium-high. And on the other side, the chicken is very well marinated. So dip it into the batter and coat it very well. Now add these lollipops into hot oil one by one and then fry them until they turn crispy. A quick tip, don't run the spatula immediately once you have added the lollipops. Allow it to stay for some time and then you may flip and deep fry it. In this way, the batter will stay firm and doesn't fall apart. You can see the chickens are well cooked now and the lollipop is absolutely ready. It's very well fried as you can see here. So drain them off from oil. And then we're going to repeat the same with the remaining pieces. A super crispy, delicious chicken lollipop is absolutely ready. You may serve this as a starter along with Szechuan chutney or any favorite dip of your choice. It will taste extremely delicious. With this, we move on in making apple chicken lollipop that will enhance the taste and flavor of this dish. For this, we're going to prepare the sauce first. For preparing sauce, these are the ingredients we require. We require half a cup of crushed garlic, then 2 teaspoons of peri-peri masala, 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 3 teaspoons of honey, 3 teaspoons of Szechuan sauce and oil. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil. So let's prepare the sauce. For that, into a pan add oil. Once oil heats up, to this we're going to add the crushed garlic first. Add the garlic and roast it until it turns golden in color. Garlic has turned golden now as you can see. Now to this we're going to add soya sauce now. So add the soya sauce and give a quick stir just for few seconds. Remember, flame needs to be medium low, and all the ingredients we need to add one by one immediately. Now goes in the Szechuan sauce, which is around 3 teaspoons, and give a mix. Once it's mixed well, to this immediately we're going to add peri peri masala. It's sauteed well. To this add the peri peri masala, which is around 2 teaspoons, and saute for few seconds. Lastly, we're going to add honey to it. So here I'm adding 3 teaspoons of honey. Give a mix. Once honey is mixed, immediately we're going to add the fried chickens to it. Remember, do not cook the sauce for long, otherwise it will burn. Once you have added the honey, immediately add the fried chickens and then mix it very well. Another important tip, prepare the sauce just before serving and then serve hot. Now mix it very well until all pieces gets very well coated with the sauce. You can see all the pieces are very well coated with the sauce now. Now you can switch off the flame and then we can move ahead in garnishing them. Now garnish this chicken lollipop with some sesame seeds. Trust me, it's one of the tastiest chicken lollipop you would have ever tried. Its crispy, juicy texture and sweet and sour taste is extremely phenomenal. From kids to elders, it's our absolute favorite. Do try and you will truly love it. Hope you like this special lollipop recipe. Then do try and leave your comments below. And also hit the like button and share among your near and dear ones. Soon we'll be coming up with another interesting recipe. Until then, take care of yourself. Happy cooking. Bye-bye.